Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the Onyx Black Pearl coat and it looks great. Right up front here we do have halogen quad headlamps. They are very bright, and you do have that chrome accenting with that Dodge logo right there. Now coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims, and they got some very nice hubcaps on them as well. They look really nice. You do have Goodyear brand tires, lots of tread left on them still. A little snowy, it's a little bit snowy out here. We do have heated exterior mirrors as well. It'll get you going a little bit quicker in the mornings, get them thawed out. Back here we do have the Grand Caravan logo, the Dodge logo, and the SXT logo. And as long as it's unlocked, we can just open it up here, just like that. Now back here there is a lot of room, plus you do have some additional storage right in there. Now what you can do, these are stow and go seats. So you see this, you go 1, just follow the instructions. 2 is right down here. 3 is this guy here. And 4 is this one. So you just pull this down. They fold right in like that, and then it's all flat, and you can put even more stuff back here. You can do the same with the other side there and the front ones, and you can lay it completely flat. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Remote start is incredibly nice, especially in winter here. It'll get it nice and warmed up for you in there, and you'll be ready to go. Now, let's unlock it and jump on in. So on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. You can roll down the back windows as well, which is pretty nice. You do have your chrome accenting right here. Plus, you do have handle here. You can not unroll, but put out the very back windows. You got some storage here, some more down here, a place for a water bottle. Then you do also have the controls over your seats here, back and forward, as well as the lumbar support and the lean there. It is very soft as well. This is very nice fabric. Very soft and comfortable to sit on. You also have your light control here, so you have your off, your on, your daytime running lights, as well as your low beams, and then your in-cabin light control there. And this guy is the controls over your your high beams, your turning signals, and your windshield wipers as well. And then you also got these buttons right back here. This one is actually a volume up and down. On the other side, there's a channel changer. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our transmission temperature, and we have our fuel gauge. It tells us how many kilometers we have. We can change that, so we do have our trip A and B, as well as our distance till empty, and our kilometers, and then our liters per 100 kilometers, and then we also have the temperature outside, and then back to the kilometers. So you got those guys control that there, plus you have your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and then you do also have your cruise control options right there. Gear shift here, just like that. You do have those buttons on the back of the steering wheel, as I said before, and we do have our touch screen display here. So you got this guy, which is the voice recognition. Then you have your call out button. You got your radio. Cancel that guy. We got our radio, so we have FM, AM, and Sirius XM. You got your media tab here if you have one hooked up through your aux cord or your hard disk drive. You can actually put music directly onto here, which is pretty cool. Then you also have your volume up and down here, as well as you can push it on and off. And then you got this guy, which actually loads a CD in, just like that. Pretty nifty. CD player just in there. Then you got your menu here. You have your audio. You got your files here, if you do have some hooked up. And then you also have your aux cord plug in there. Then down here we have where it's going to blow out of. We have our AC as well as our heat up and down, so a dual climate. And then you also have the power there, and then your rear controls. You have where it's going to blow out of still, and then you got your front and rear defrost, your econ mode, your hazard lights, that turns that on, as well as you have your traction control there. Bit of storage here for some CDs or something. That guy is some, your cup holders, and then you do have some plugins just down there, and some more cup holders right here, as well as you can put some stuff in there. There's some storage. Over here you do have a dual layer glove box, so top and bottom. This bottom one is a locking glove box. Super nice in case someone ever did break in, it would be protected in there. Then you do also have your, your owner's manual in there. Always nice to have. And then up top here you do have some lights, as well as a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. It is the same material back here as the front seats, and it is very soft. You have your rear climate right there, as well as you can push this guy, and you do have a screen there. Super nice. You can watch movies or whatnot. You got 3 more seats back there, so it does seat 7 altogether, and they do have cup holders as well. Now it does have stow and go in the front, so all we gotta do is we gotta move this, slide that out of the way, pull this guy up right here, pull this guy up right here, just like this, and then stay. And then there's this lever, you just gotta pull that, and it folds all in, just like this, and this folds right down over top, and it's gone, and it's out of the way. Now you got even more room. You can do the same with the other side, and it can all be flat, and you got tons and tons of room. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.